One of the quickest way for you to start making money from the online space is for you to sell knowledge. Guys, selling knowledge online these days is one very good side hustle that will make you money fast. You may be asking, Only how can I do this? Now, if you go online, you will see people selling lots of books, selling ebooks online, and guess what? You don't necessarily need to write this book yourself. I'm going to show you step by step how you can use AI to write books that sell out fast. Guys, hey, people are making money daily from this, and trust me when I tell you that it is one of the laziest way to make money online. You just take your time, write these books. Remember, you're not writing yourself, you're going to be using AI. Put all of this together and you can sell this book over and over and over again and make thousands of dollars from it. Are you interested in this? If you are, Oni is ready to show you step by step how to do this. This is gonna be a practical video. So you're welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Onyi Onwura, and here on this channel I create content on how to start and grow a profitable business from the online space. I go in depth with importation and different ways of earning sustainable income from the online space. So guys, with that being said, we're just gonna dive straight into it, and I'll be sharing my phone screen here or here. Remember, it's a practical video, so ensure you follow through. And the first thing you need to do if you want to start making money selling knowledge online is for you to decide on the niche you want to go into. You cannot just start writing random books here and there. You need to decide on the niche to go into. And when I say niche, I'm not trying to make it look, intense. I'm not trying to make it seem difficult. No, just pick that area you want to focus on. Take for instance, you can start writing books around relationship. Do you understand? You can start writing books around parenting. You can start writing books. Just decide on the niche. And let me give you a quick tip here. Yeah, you need to pick a niche that is profitable. If you pick a niche that is not profitable, you will waste your time writing this book and nobody's interested. So you need to pick a niche that is really profitable. And let me give you some. One niche that is profitable, of course, is relationship. Anything that has to do with relationship, people are interested and they are going to buy books that are centered around that. Another one is finance. Anything that has to do with making money, investment, people are interested and they are going to buy books related to that. Another one is travel, right? Another one is parenting. And in this video, I want us to focus on parenting niche, right? Now that's my niche. That's the area we are concentrating on. Now let's take for instance, I want to write a book titled How to Raise Confident Children. Okay, that's something parents are struggling with. They really want to, especially parents based in Nigeria, looking at our system, want to know how to raise kids that are really confident in themselves, and the society is really not helping. So people are looking for books, people are looking for knowledge on how to do this. So I'm going to really niche down, not just how to raise confident children, but how to raise confident children as a mom living in Nigeria. So you can see that people that are living in Nigeria, moms that are living in Nigeria, will be interested in this. I'm not trying to target moms all over the world, based in Nigeria, so that when I come to my marketing, it will be so easy. I am going to show you how to do that. So let's just go into it. We are going to be using a well-known AI tool for this, ChatGPT, the free level version of ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT on your phone right now, I don't know what you're doing. What are you doing? So go ahead and install the ChatGPT app. So let me get mine. This is my ChatGPT app, and I tried giving it this prompt earlier today. I'm just gonna take you to it. Let's just go through it instead of starting from scratch. I was doing it before. I said, you know what, I'm gonna come share this knowledge with my family on here on YouTube. So let's start from the very start. I already started writing this book. I said I want to write, look at the prompt I gave, you can copy it, right? I said I want to write an ebook on how to raise confident children as a mom living in Nigeria. Give me a detailed outline for this ebook. Also note that this is my first time writing an ebook, so this is for you beginners. Of course, this is not my first time, but I gave it this prompt for you beginners. It said, this is an excellent blah blah blah, trust ChatGPT to give you all of those. So it gave me some ebook title ideas. It says raising confident children. So if you don't have the perfect idea, ChatGPT will help you. And I love this one that says building confidence in your child without losing discipline. I love that. I also love the third one that says from fear to confidence, how Nigerian mothers can raise bold and responsible children. So these are the detailed outline it gave me. Guess what? After reading through all of this outline, let's say you're not experienced, you don't know how to get started with it, you can move a step further and you will see exactly what I did. Let's get the prompt. I said write the book from introduction to the final chapter. Of course, I know it's not possible with a free version straight up, but I want to show you something. ChatGPT says writing the entire book, like 50 to like 80 pages in one response, isn't practical. So we broke it down. We started with the introduction. You can see ChatGPT gave me a full written down introduction, something you can easily copy and go paste it on your Google Docs and edit. But let me tell you guys something. If you want your book to be so unique, you need to do some extra research, add one or two to it. Don't just copy verbatim from ChatGPT to your Google Docs and you have your book. No. I mean, will you really call that your own? You want something to be your own. That is why I tell people, if you want to write a book and you want to use AI, ensure that you are writing based on something that you are interested in. Yes, find a niche, but it should be something that resonates with you. Now, this particular topic, I am interested in it. It resonates with me because I'm a mom living in Nigeria, and of course, I'm raising kids, and I want my kids to be, confident in themselves. So this is something I can easily think and chip in one or two based on practical experience that I already have raising my kids. Do you understand? So I'm not just going to copy word for word everything I see here on ChatGPT or everything ChatGPT is giving me. I'm going to I'm going to make more research. So this is what I advise you to do. Don't just copy. Don't just be a copy and paste person. Add your own spice, add your own uniqueness to what you're getting from this AI. So you can see the introduction. Let me just take a few lines. Every mother wants her child to succeed. So you can read through whether you live in Lagos. Can you see the target area, Nigeria? Whether you live in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Kano, or a small town anywhere in Nigeria, there is a common desire shared by mothers everywhere to see their children grow and responsible, successful, and fulfilled adults, right? So you can go through it. This is what I have for the introduction. After the introduction, ChatGPT went ahead to give me the chapter 1. It says every confidence matter more than ever. This is chapter 1 title. So you can see how lengthy this is. It has some subtitle. You know the way books are. You can see the subtitle. Confidence affects academic performance. Another subtitle, confidence helps children handle failure. Another one, confidence supports leadership. These are all under chapter 1. Another one, confidence protects mental health. Another one, the confidence crisis, the reflection question, and all that. Now we are done with chapter 1. If you're done with chapter 1, you can ask ChatGPT, write chapter 2 for me. Write chapter 2. Write chapter 2. And ChatGPT will do the needful. So it's thinking, we are waiting for it to get started. I just want to show you exactly how it's going to do it. People are using ChatGPT to make money. People are using AI to make money. And please check your internet connection. Okay, it seems my network is quite bad. The weather, I don't know if the weather has been affecting our network, because I don't really get what's going on with network these days. Error, please check your internet. So guys, you shall get what I'm trying to explain here. You can use ChatGPT to write your ebook from chapter 1, from introduction to the very last word, but please ensure you add your own extra to it. Don't just depend solely on ChatGPT. Do you understand me? Now when you get this stuff from ChatGPT, you can go ahead to copy it. Just long press. You can long press, copy it like this, click on copy, do it bit by bit. Okay, when you copy it, you can then go to your Google Docs. If you don't have Google Docs on your phone, please go ahead and install it. It's on App Store, Play Store. You can get Google Docs. Then you pick a new document. So this is a new document. I'm just going to upload it here. So you can upload yours, you can do your editing. If you want to edit the font, you can go ahead and edit the font. You can see how to edit font here. If you want to bold in some, when you come to those your subtitles, you can make it bold. Let's say this is a subtitle, I can just highlight it and make it bold, right? If you want to increase the font, you can increase the font. If you want to change font color, you can change your font color. Can you see? Play around with what you have here. So I said, what situations make you feel insecure? Can you see? If you want to change it, if you want to change alignment, there is all the alignment you need. The 4 alignment, justified, left, right, and center, they are all here, right? I mean, go ahead and edit it to your taste. Edit to your taste. Don't overdo it. Leave it simple, leave it professional. So once you're done copying and pasting, ensure you add your own edit. Guys, you're done. Your ebook is ready. You just need to go make an ebook cover. That's it. You can start marketing. Guys, I talk a lot about selling knowledge online. It is one of the easiest way to make money online currently. You don't need to be a content creator for you to be able to sell your knowledge online at all. You don't necessarily need to be a content creator. So if you found this helpful and you want only to go deeper into it, let me know. You know why I ask you this question most of the time? If I make a video and I ask you to tell me if you want more, if I don't get response, I know that you guys are not interested. This is not me just doing what I want. This channel is for all of us. I want you guys to gain more. So if you tell me only if I get more responses, only with one more step-by-step guide on this, I will do it. Like the previous video I made, I did not get that much response for you guys. I just concluded that most of you, majority of you, are not interested in that type of video. So if you know you're interested in this, tell me in the comments. Okay, I want to get more likes, I want to get more views. Share it. I will know that you guys are interested in this, and I will definitely go ahead to create even more detailed video explaining this. So I can't wait to see you all in the next one. I love you.